Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up an email so it can be triggered automatically inside your HubSpot workflows. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard. Click on the Marketing tab at the top of your screen and select Email from the drop-down menu. Once you're on the email dashboard, click the bright orange Create Email button in the top right corner. This next part is the absolute most important step. When it asks you what type of email you want to create, you must select the automated option instead of regular. If you do not choose automated here, the email will not show up when you're actually building your workflow later. From there, pick a template and use the standard drag and drop editor to design your message, add your personalizations, and write your subject line. When your email looks perfect, head over to the Review and Save tab at the top right. Since this is an automated email, you won't see a standard send button. Instead, you just click Publish to save it to your system. Now, whenever you go into the Workflows tool and add a send email action, your newly published automated email will be right there in the drop-down list ready to go. If this quick tutorial helped you streamline your workflow today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of workflow you are building next. Thanks for watching.